In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make digital stickers on Canva to sell on Etsy. We'll go from opening Canva all the way to publishing your listing on Etsy so you can start selling right away. First, open a browser and search for Canva. Click the official result to open the site, then log into your account so your work saves as you design. On the home page, select Create and choose a custom size. For crisp, high-quality stickers, set your canvas to at least 2000 by 2000 pixels. A high resolution gives you clean edges and flexibility to resize. If you're thinking in print terms, 300 dpi is a solid target for sharp results. Design your stickers on this canvas. Keep originality in mind. To sell commercially, you need to create an original design by combining multiple elements. Don't list Canva elements on their own. Mix shapes, illustrations, your own text or drawings, and thoughtful color choices to build something unique. Simple borders, shadows, and consistent spacing help a set feel cohesive. When you're happy with the design, it's time to export. Download as a PNG with a transparent background. In Canva, go to Share, then Download, select PNG, and check Transparent Background. This transparency is essential for digital stickers so buyers can place them over any background without a white box around the image. If you're selling a pack, export each sticker as its own transparent PNG, then place the individual files into a single compressed .zip folder. For a polished customer experience, create a simple branded PDF in Canva with a brief thank you and clear download instructions, and include it with your files. Now switch to Etsy. Open a new tab, search for Etsy, click the official link, and log in. From your shop manager, go to Listings and choose Add a Listing. Fill in the title, add your preview photos or mock-ups, upload the digital files or your .zip, and complete the required details. Use a clear, keyword-rich title. Specify what's included. List the pixel size and resolution, and clarify usage terms. Choose Digital for the product type, set your price, and write a concise description that answers common questions. When everything looks good, click Publish. Etsy will guide you through any final confirmations. And that's it. Your digital stickers are live. Keep iterating on your designs, listen to customer feedback, and update your listing visuals and descriptions as you grow.